Welcome back to our channel Girls Satisfaction. If you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and click the little bell to turn on the post notifications to get notified when a new video is posted. Once you do those two things, comment done below. On this channel we will discuss health, beauty, fitness and nutrition so you can fit into that fashionable dinner dress, or if you are just looking to live a healthier, beautiful life. In today's video you will learn the 4 fat loss diet myths that you must avoid. Let's get started. Unfortunately, there are multiple fat loss diet myths that keep many from approaching their weight loss goals correctly. These myths will direct people to diets that do not work, and will keep people from doing the things that they need to do to lose weight. These 4 dieting myths will help you to understand the steps that you need to take to lose weight. Understanding the truth behind these myths will help you to make lifestyle changes that will allow you to keep the weight off for good. Liquid diets work. People tout the benefits of liquid diets. They talk about how they cleanse your body, and how they help you to lose weight. These claims are misleading at best. Your body may lose a few pounds because of this diet. The weight loss really comes from the fact that you are not eating any actual food. As soon as you add food back to your diet, you will gain the weight back. The liquid diet is only good for short-term, temporary weight loss. Eat less to lose more. Some people will attempt to starve themselves as a way to lose weight. If they drastically cut their calories, they believe that they will lose weight quickly and efficiently. While this method will help you to lose weight, it is incredibly unhealthy. Your body needs the vitamins, nutrients, carbohydrates, and calories that come from food to operate. While you do need to cut your caloric intake, you should not drastically cut these numbers. Diets with a timeline are perfect for keeping the weight off. Any diet with a timeline is going to hinder your overall weight loss goals. While the diet may help you to lose weight for a week or 2, you will gain the weight back as soon as you get off of the diet. This can easily leave you disheartened with the overall weight loss process, and can hold back your overall progress. Healthy foods are boring and tasteless. Unfortunately, society is used to foods with high sugar content and high fat content. While these foods may have interesting and sought-after flavors, they are unhealthy at best. People tend to think that healthy foods are bland, boring, and tasteless because they lack the flavors offered by these unhealthy foods. This is unfortunate, as most healthy foods can actually be both nutritious and delicious. By adding spices and herbs to healthy foods, you can add flavor to meals. Most of these fat loss diet myths come from companies that are trying to make money. They want to sell you the latest and greatest diet craze so that they can take your money. When you understand the truth behind these myths, you understand that they are actually detrimental to your health and can keep you from achieving and maintaining your weight loss goals. Ignore the myths and approach your weight loss diet correctly. It will help you to lose weight and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Want to see how one woman discovered the female fat loss code missed by modern medicine? Just click the link in the description. That concludes today's video on the 4 fat loss diet myths that you must avoid. Thanks for watching and hope you found this video informative. If you did, go ahead and like, share and then comment what you liked about this video. See you on the next video.